Good morning children, I am your computer teacher and today we are going to learn about parts of a computer chapter 3. Children, after completing this chapter you will be coming to know about parts of a computer and addition device connected to a computer. So let's start. Parts of a computer. Children, like we are having parts of our body, like our dash helps to see. So what helps to see? Eyes. Our dash helps to smell, nose. We write with our hands. We walk with our legs. This answers you can write it here. Now you see, we know that our body has different parts which help us to do different activities. These activities makes our body function properly. Similarly, a computer also has a different parts. We will learn about different parts of a computer in this chapter. Children, like our body is having different parts and it helps us to do work. In similar way, computer is also having a different parts which help us to learn. So let's start. Parts of a computer. A computer has four main parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Children, you can see a picture of a computer. This one is monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. These are four main parts of a computer. So first we will discuss about monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. Children, you all are having TV in your home. You can see the monitor of this screen. Looks like a TV screen. It shows the work that we do in a computer. Whatever work we do, it shows here on the screen. We can watch cartoons and movies on a monitor. We can watch cartoons also and movies also on a monitor. Hope you have understood about this monitor. Then coming next to CPU. CPU is called the brain of the computer. Like children, we are having brain. Computer is also having brain. Its name is CPU. It is present inside the CPU box. Inside the CPU box, CPU is present. It controls other parts of a computer, and this, with the help of this CPU box, it controls other parts of the CPU. A computer can work without any of its four parts. Yes or no? No. Computer cannot work. Give reason for your answer. Like children, with the help of our body is having different parts. If we will lose one part, like if we will lose our eyes, we won't be able to see. Like that only a computer has four main parts. If we will lose any of the parts, it would not work at systematically. Okay. Now coming to next page. Keyboard. A keyboard consists of many buttons called keys. Children, you see, this is a picture of keyboard and it consists of many buttons. We press these keys to type letter, words and numbers. Children, we press these keys to type letter, words and numbers. Learn more. Typing refers to pressing of keys on the keyboard to write on the computer. Devices like mobile phone, calculator and Casio also have keyboard with many keys. Now coming, hope you have understood about this keyboard. This keyboard helps us to type letters, words and numbers. Now coming to mouse. A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. Children, see, this is a picture of mouse and it looks like a real mouse. It has a wire cable that connects the mouse CPU to the CPU. This mouse has a wire which is connected to the CPU. It has two buttons. This mouse has two buttons, see, one and two buttons. A mouse helps to point the objects on the monitor with the pointer. This mouse helps us to point the objects on the monitor with a pointer. It helps us to draw pictures and play games on a computer. It helps us to draw pictures and play on a computer. Now learn more. The first mouse was made by Douglas Engelbart. The uninterruptible power supply UPS is used to keep a computer on when the electricity goes off. So this UPS works very important. Like in our home, when currents goes, with the help of inverter, we are having light in our home. Same way, if in computer electricity goes, with help of this UPS, computer can work. Do and learn. Who am I? This we will do in our exercise part. Now next, additional device connected to a computer. Now what are the additional devices connected to a computer? There are some more devices which we find connected to a computer. Now let us learn about that. Number one is printer. A printer helps to find the work done on a computer on a paper. Whatever work we are doing on a computer, with the help of monitor we can see it, and from the monitor we can, and with the help of this printer we can bring that work on the printer in a printed paper. This printed paper is called printout or the hard copy. Work stored in devices like smartphones and cameras are also be printed using some printers. Whatever work we are saving in our phones, we can bring out with the help of this printer. Now scanner. A scanner reads, takes images and hand-drawn pictures printed on paper and store them in a computer. This is a scanner, and with help of this scanner we can read text, images and hand-drawn pictures drawn on the paper, and we can store them on the computer. Then coming to speakers. Speakers help us to listen to music and different sounds on a computer. Children, these are the speakers which are always connected to a computer. It helps us to listen to music and different sounds on the computer. We mostly find two speakers connected to a computer. In a computer, mostly two speakers are connected. We use headphones to listen to sounds and music on a computer so that others do not get disturbed. Children, why we are using headphones? We are using headphones because while seeing anything, others should not be disturbed. Now coming to microphone. A microphone helps us to record our voice in a computer. It is used to record different sounds. It also helps us to talk to people. With help of this microphone, we can do our recordings and keep our sounds recorded. It is used to record different sounds also, and it helps us to talk to different people. Now coming to do and learn. Scramble the letters. The name of additional device connected to a computer. Number one is ACSCNNR. It will be scanner. SCANNER, scanner. Number two, PESKAERS. It will be speakers. SPEAKERS, speakers. Number three, RIPTNER. It will be printer. PRINTER, printer. Now tech terms. Monitors, computer screens which shows the work done. CPU, the main parts of the computer which control all other parts. Keyboard, the set of keys for operating a computer. Mouse, a small device that is moved by hand to work on a computer. Printer, a machine connected to a computer used to print the work done on a computer. Scanner, a device that copies text and pictures to be stored on a computer. Speaker, the parts of a computer from which the sounds comes out. Microphone, a device used for recording sounds. Quick recall. Children, let's have a read. A computer has 4 parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Some additional devices connected to a computer are printers, scanners, speakers and microphone. Children, you do see this also. Page number 20. Do and learn. Who am I? Am the parts of a computer using the clue. Number 1. I have 2 or more buttons. It will be mouse. MOUSE, mouse. I look like a screen. Monitor. MONITOR, monitor. I type letter, words and numbers. Keyboard. KEYBOARD, keyboard. Children, hope you have understood about this chapter, parts of a computer nicely. This is the explanation part, and in the next part I will be doing your exercise. Thank you all.